Alright guys, so two big things that we had to warranty here. One was this snap-on flex head. It's the FX80 ratchet. Nick actually purchased this off of a snap-on truck when he worked in a shop I'd say about 10 years ago. And he used it for a couple years, but it is a high tooth count ratchet, and under extreme load after a while it started to slip, so it needed a repair kit. So that was one of the items that we reached out about. I also have this other snap-on ratchet. This one is the F720A. It's only a 30 tooth ratchet. Both of these are 3/8 drive, but this one as well needed a rebuild. And then also we had two different sockets. Here's just a 3/8 drive 9/16 socket. It's a 6-point, and it's got a crack in the side where the sidewall had failed. And same thing with this one. This one's 1/2-inch drive, 7/8 inch deep socket. Same failure. So I reached out to Snap-on through email. I will put that same email address in the description of this video just to help you guys if you need to do this as well. We did this because we don't work in a shop where a Snap-on truck comes regularly. So I wanted to test out the online process, see how easy it was, and what the rough time, for your warranty, solution to be processed. So basically, I reached out through email. I said I got this ratchet, I have this ratchet, and I have these two sockets. The ratchets I'm just looking for repair kits, and the sockets I'm looking for replacements. They reached out to me the same day, actually probably within 2 to 3 hours, and said, no problem, we have both of these kits in stock. We'll send those to you, and we'll also send you 2 brand new sockets. And that was great. I received a package in the mail. I actually received 2 packages in the mail about 3 days later. One package contained the repair kits, came from one location, I guess, and the other one came from a different location, which contained 2 sockets. The 2 sockets that I received, however, were this 1/4-inch drive, 1/2-inch 6-point deep socket, and the 7/8 socket. So I emailed them again and I said, hey, I think there was a mix-up. I received the wrong socket. I had warranted a 9/16, and I checked, the emails and the paperwork and everything, and they definitely had made a mistake on their end. So they apologized and they said, we'll send out that new socket, and don't worry about the other socket. You can keep it or you can discard it. I don't think I'm going to be discarding it. It's a perfectly good socket, so I think I'll keep it. The other broken sockets, originally they said, once you receive your new sockets and they look good, then you can discard your old sockets. So these are now considered, just Snap-on junk, and are probably going to just get thrown in the scrap pile. So this whole process I think was fairly easy and very simple. They didn't ask me for any, proof of purchase or excessive amount of information. They didn't even require me to ship anything into them, and it was relatively easy. I'd say I probably spent 5 minutes filing the warranty claim, and another 5 minutes just telling them that I had received the wrong socket. Since I did have to receive 2 different shipments, it took a whole 7 days to get this resolved. But that does include, a Saturday and a Sunday thrown in the mix. I'd say even with the mix-up, that was still a pretty reasonable time. Without the mix-up, if they had gotten it right the first time, it would have just been 3 days. So I'm pretty happy with the results here. We'll be putting the ratchet repair kits in ourselves. Those will actually be separate videos, just in case you guys need to see, what the process is like before you tear down your ratchet, whether you're just doing a cleaning and service or you're actually doing a repair kit. And the sockets, well, pretty simple. Definitely happy with the new sockets they sent. The 7/8 socket was an older series. It was replaced with the new series. I'm totally fine with that. if you happen to have an old series set and you broke a socket, you could get the new socket replaced, and then possibly try to trade with somebody. There are several Facebook groups for Snap-on buy, sell, trade, as well as you could try eBay. If you did eBay, you'd probably have to buy the replacement series that you want to match your set, and then possibly sell the other socket. And if you were trying to trade on Facebook, that might be a good way to just either exchange locally or ship to each other. You know, you can ship a socket like this for about probably $4 or $5, and yeah, maybe somebody is looking for a newer one and you're looking for an older series. So that's another way to solve that problem if you are trying to match an older set. So I just wanted to show you guys the experience I had and tell you about it, and also just provide that email address that I was able to use just to make things easier for you guys. Some people say, you know, that it can be a pain, you know, not being able to exchange, you know, with the guy in the truck. I didn't go for a huge exchange here. I didn't like dig through my toolbox and try to find every single tool that might possibly have the most minor defect. I just chose the stuff that is obviously not working anymore. You know, don't get greedy. Don't try to replace your whole set just because there's a couple of chrome peeling chips. I mean, it's a little bit ridiculous if you ask me. So I'm very happy, and I think that it was a pretty easy process. So thank you guys for watching this video today. I hope it helps you out. I hope it gives you some info on how you can, you know, deal with your Snap-on warranties. And keep posted for more warranty videos. I just sent out some stuff for warranty of SK. I'm going to be visiting my local Lowe's stores pretty soon to trade in some Craftsman stuff. And I'm going to be doing videos about all of it. And I'm going to keep doing this with all different brands until I cover all the basic brands that have lifetime warranties, because I want to be able to show you guys, you know, what my process was like and compare it with how everybody else is doing. Because definitely when you do those in-person trade-ins, you can get varying experiences depending on who's working at the store and again, what your store has in stock. You know, if you trade in a socket that they don't have, that might not be a good experience for you. So, all right, that's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, you know, definitely hit that like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, if you could do that, that would be great. And leave a comment. Let us know what you think and maybe how your process with Snap-on warranty went. Thank you, guys.